Let us concentrate on post-fertilization development. As the name indicates, post-fertilization meaning development which occur after fertilization. So, which structures are formed? In that, first one is a development of endosperm, second one a development of embryo, third one development of seed, and fourth one development of fruit. In that first one, that is development of endosperm. So here we have seen this part of double fertilization. Secondary nucleus, which is a diploid nucleus, fuses with another male gamete. Male gamete is haploid. So secondary nucleus, diploid nucleus undergo fusion with haploid male gamete. So 2n plus n gives 3n. This triploid nucleus represents PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, responsible for development of endosperm. So here same triploid PEN, primary endosperm nucleus undergo which type of division? Repeated mitotic division, where chromosome number remain constant and forms nutritive tissue endosperm. So endosperm, as it is product of mitosis, it is also triploid like that of triploid primary endosperm nucleus. During post-fertilization changes, embryo and endosperm develop simultaneously. Simultaneously meaning at the same time. When there is a development of embryo, it is associated with endosperm development. Formation of triploid PEN triggers meaning activate cell division that causes formation of endosperm. एकदा का PEN तयार झालं ट्रिप्लॉइड की काय सुरू होतं? सेल डिव्हिजन. आणि सेल डिव्हिजन होत असतानाच कशाची निर्मिती होत असते? रिझल्ट इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. On the basis of development, endosperms are of 3 types. So how that endosperm develop? What are its contents? Depending on it, there are 3 types of endosperm. And that first one is nuclear type or nuclear endosperm. What is that nuclear endosperm? So triploid PEN undergoes mitotic division and redivision. You have seen mitosis where triploid number remain constant. ज्या नवीन सेल तयार होतील ह्या सुद्धा कशा राहणार? ट्रिप्लॉइडच. या नवीन सेलचं डिव्हिजन रिडिव्हिजन होऊन काय तयार होणार? ओनली नंबर ऑफ फ्री न्यूक्लियाय तयार होणार. दे कम टुवर्ड्स पेरिफेरी बिकॉज ॲट सेंटर देर इज अ डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ व्हॅक्युओल. सेंटरला व्हॅक्युओल डेव्हलप झाल्यामुळे फ्री न्यूक्लियाय कुठे अरेंज होतात? पेरिफेरीला. नाऊ दिस फ्री न्यूक्लियाय they behave in 2 different ways. Either they undergo wall formation or wall formation remain incomplete. So either there is complete wall formation or incomplete wall formation. What are its feature? So it is a common type of endosperm. May be asked for 1 mark question or MCQ. Which is common type of endosperm? Free nuclear endosperm. PEN repeatedly divide and redivide without wall formation and produces large number of free nuclei. वॉल फॉर्मेशन झालंच नाही तर काय होणार? फक्त फ्री न्यूक्लियाय तयार होणार. कळतंय? न्यूक्लियाय फक्त सायटोप्लाझममध्ये फ्री स्टेजमध्ये राहतात. Big central vacuole appear at center of cell. In diagram we have seen that central vacuole. As a result, nuclei are pushed towards periphery. सेंटरला व्हॅक्युअल झाल्यामुळे न्यूक्लियाय कुठे जाणार? पेरिफेरीला, कडेला किंवा बॉर्डरला शिफ्ट होणार. लॅटर वॉल्स डेव्हलप बिटवीन न्यूक्लियाय टू प्रोड्यूस मल्टीसेल्युलर एंडोस्पर्म. तर काहीमध्ये वॉल फॉर्मेशन होतं आणि काहीमध्ये वॉल फॉर्मेशन होत नाही. दोन प्रोबॅबिलिटी पाहिल्या, आयदर देर इज वॉल फॉर्मेशन ऑर इनकम्प्लीट वॉल फॉर्मेशन. In some, cell wall formation is incomplete, as in case of wheat, sunflower and coconut. Endosperm is prenuclear, but cell wall formation is incomplete. I have given you an example of coconut. Coconut has multicellular endosperm in outer part, ज्याला आपण खोबरं म्हणतो, हे सेल्युलर असतं. अँड प्रीन्युक्लिअर व्हॅक्युलेटेड एंडोस्पर्म ॲट सेंटर, ज्याला आपण नारळाचं पाणी म्हणतो किंवा शहाळ्याचं पाणी म्हणतो. सो व्हॉट इज इट? इट इज प्री न्यूक्लिअर एंडोस्पर्म प्रेझेंट ॲट सेंटर. आणि जे आउटर टिश्यू असतो एडिबल खोबरं, हे काय आहे? मल्टीसेल्युलर एंडोस्पर्म. सो इट इज अ युनिक फीचर हॅविंग बोथ टाईप्स ऑफ कॅरेक्टर्स, विथ वॉल अँड विदाउट वॉल. Then second one, cellular type. As name indicate, cellular meaning with cell. So triploid PEN undergo mitotic division, redivision and form cells. Why there is a formation of cells? Because of wall formation. So in this type, division of triploid PEN is immediately followed by wall formation. Mostly observed in families of dicots, as in case of balsam. बाल्समला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो तेरडा. तेरडा माहीत आहे तुम्हाला? गणपती किंवा गौरीच्या वेळेला जी छान गुलाबी कलरची फ्लॉवर्स असतात ती बाल्सम, किंवा कलरफुल ऑर्नामेंटल व्हरायटी पण आहेत. देन पिटोनिया. पिटोनिया ह्याला मराठीमध्ये नाही नाव नाही आहे, हे ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट आहे. And one more example given in your book is Adoxa. Also there is no Marathi name. So remember these three example of cellular endosperm: balsam, petunia and Adoxa. Third type of endosperm is halobial type. Quite a different name, halobial type. It is present in order Halobiales. Which is that order? Halobiales of monocotyledons. Monocotyledons meaning monocot. So here PEN, primary endosperm nucleus, which is triploid, undergo unequal cell division. So two unequal size cells are formed, larger micropylar cell and smaller chalazal cell. Now what happens to nucleus of micropylar cell? Micropylar cell undergoes division and result in formation of cells. So micropylar cell give rise to cells, and nucleus of chalazal cell undergoes prenuclear division. So here prenuclei are produced, meaning here both features are present, cells as well as prenuclei. Characteristic feature of order Halobiales of monocots. That's why it is called halobial type of endosperm. Is it clear? So that is quite different one. Remember it. First division of PEN is followed by transverse wall. It divides cell unequally. Smaller cell is chalazal cell and larger one is micropylar cell. We have seen the same feature. Nuclei in each chamber divide by prenuclear division. Micropylar chamber, wall develop between nuclei, while in chalazal cell only prenuclear division occur. Hence it is intermediate between cellular and न्यूक्लिअर एंडोस्पर्म. इंटरमिजिएट, दोघांच्या मधलं. सेलही आहेत आणि प्रीन्यूक्लियाही आहेत, दोन्ही फीचर आहेत. म्हणजेच असं झालं इंटरमिजिएट टाईप ऑफ एंडोस्पर्म. ॲज इन केस ऑफ एस्फोडेलस. व्हॉट इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ दॅट हेलोबियल एंडोस्पर्म? एस्फोडेलस. सो यू हॅव टू ऑल्सो रिमेंबर these examples of specific endosperm types. That is regarding development of endosperm. There may come a question for 3 marks on development of endosperm. Okay, we study that development of embryo, seed and fruit in next videos.